Okay, we're on the main mezzanine of the Royal York Hotel. There's Julian right there.
There's Daniel.
And I filmed these with Alex last week, and Julian's gonna love these.
For the first time.
Yeah, because I haven't uploaded the video. They're Dovers.
They're Dewhurst with black, newer traditional fixtures.
Square and circle.
All button. Ooh, green.
Yeah, it's green. This is a best case scenario because it's got your typical Dewhurst US
Look
89,
at this.
but they got,
These buttons kind of look like Lexan.
yeah, I thought that too, but
This is Dover.
it's a Dover.
Very basic cabs.
Yeah. Parking floors are kind of labeled interestingly. Once you press going up, you want to take another ride?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is an incredible motor. Go back down to P5 or P6, I think. Definitely relay controlled.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a cab view actually right now. There's Julian. As he said earlier, the cab is pretty basic, still pretty nice. And then your Dover, these are newer traditional, right?
Yeah, they seem like
Very similar.
Actually, no, I don't know what they are. I have no idea what fixtures these are.
Yeah.
I did see a Dover in Vancouver though that had newer traditional but black.
So press
However,
going up.
I want to get a look out.
Oh, yeah.
Real quick.
Actually, let's
Oh, the call buttons are replaced.
yeah. Still, that's the best case scenario.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's listen to this motor.
I like these fixtures. Sorry. So Royal Yorks. These are the fixtures. Okay. There it goes. Let's hear it ring again. That's beautiful. All right, there it goes, and that's it. See you guys.